Remember to vote, everyone. Remember to register to vote. You can't wait till November, till Election Day, to register to vote. Register to vote early. Look it up on government.gov, usagov.gov. You can see where you can vote and register to vote in your state. But register to vote. It's very important. Vote, vote, vote. If you don't vote, then the other guys are going to get their way. They're going to do whatever they want, and you're going to get screwed. Remember to vote. USA.gov. USA.gov. That'll give you all kinds of links, not just to vote, but all kinds of stuff. You can see who your senators and congressmen are. You can get links to reach them. But USA.gov, make sure you do that. Register to vote and then vote. Make a difference. If you don't vote, you're throwing it away. You're giving the bad guys whatever they want. They can do what they want and you don't have a choice. USA.gov to vote. Register to vote. And do it early. Don't wait. Thank you.